Hi, we want to solve an exercise related to linear regression. Let's first remember the rules. We said that the linear regression has the following equation. Y is the dependent variable equals to A, then the y-intercept, plus B, the slope of the line, times X, the independent variable. Now B has the following equation. B equals to N. N is the number of periods, times summation of X multiplied by Y, which is the dependent and independent variable, minus summation of X multiplied by summation of Y over N into the square, summation of the square of X, the independent variable, minus summation of X all squared. So this is different than this. A equals to the summation of Y minus B, which is the slope that we will get using this equation, multiplied by summation of X over N, the number of periods. Now, with the help of an exercise, we will be able to understand those numbers better. Let's look at this exercise together. Here we have the marketing manager saying that the next month the company will spend $1,750 on advertising for a certain product. Use linear regression model to forecast the sale of this product. So here from looking at this table, I know that the period, years, okay, we have 5 periods and the period is in years. So I'm looking at a period of 5 years. Sales multiplied by 10,000 units. So here I have 264,000 units, okay, for year 1. And we have done advertisement of the value of 2.5 times 1,000 in dollars. Okay, so this is the data that I need to have before using the equation. Now, I will put the equation related to B and A. Let's begin with B. Now, we said that we need multiplication of xy, summation of x, summation of y. So what do I need to do? With the table that was given, I had x, which was the advertisement in dollars, and I had y, which was the sales. Now what do? I will have to create a new table. As you see, I will begin by putting the value of x. This is the given. What do? I create a new column and I say that this is x squared. I just square the values that I got here. So 6.25 is the square of 2.5. This one is the square of 1.3 and so on. Then I will use the values that I got for y. This was given. What do? Add another column and name it x multiplied by y. So this value is actually 2.5 times 264. The value is 660. This value here is the multiplication of 1.3 times 116 and so on. So I create a new column related to x multiplied by y. Now if you go back to the equation, what do I need? Summation of xy. This is xy. I already created the values. Then I will get the summation of all these values. It is this amount. So this is the first value, I got it. Minus summation of x. This is the column related to x. I just get the summation of this column. So this is the value here. Summation of y in the same way. This is the column related to y. I just add up all of these values and I will get the summation over n, the number of periods. We agreed that we had a period of 5 years, so n equals to 5. Multiplied by summation of x squared. So I will have to go to the value of x squared and get the summation of the values, and this is the value. Minus x, summation of x, all squared. So this is the summation of x, the value of 8.2. This is the value that I will square it. Okay, so this value is different from this value. So I just fill in the values that I got from this table into the equation of B. Now the final answer of B is 109.23. Now we'll have to begin with the equation of A. It is the summation of y. I already have it. This is it. Minus b. Okay, this is the value of b that I got. Multiplied by summation of x. This is summation of x over n, number of periods. So this is the value of A. I got it. Now what do? I just put the equation related to the linear regression. Y equals A plus B times x. I already got A and I already got B. And I know that the value of x was given. Okay? I said that for the value of 1,750, what will be the sales? So I need to find y. I already know all these values. Put the value and in the equation to get the final answer of y. So y will be, this is A, minus 8.137, plus B, 109.23, multiplied by x. I substitute for the value of x. You see here I used 1.75 because all the values in the table were in this form. Okay, I know that the final answer is multiplied by 1000. So the final answer of y is 183.0 units. So this is how we solve exercises related to linear regression. What do? I just know what is y and what is x. You always have to know that y is the sales, and the sales depends on this factor, which is the advertisement. So this is x, because the only mistake that I see the students do is that they switch the values between x and y. Okay, so this makes your answer wrong. So always let the sales is the y and the other factor is your x. Now this will be the given table. You just need to identify x and y and then add the rest of the columns, and then you will see I'm getting y depending on which x. Usually this x is in the given. If you read again, the marketing manager says that we will spend $1,750 on advertisement. So this is my x. Okay. Use linear regression to forecast the sales of this product. So I want to find y, which is related to this x. Okay. Thank you.